Firstly, you can't be having Ndomazana on your bed. Ndomazana that way. Inga move your Linda and that you're gonna change his style. Linda is Steve. Ndomazana. There's no flexibility for you. She's just waiting for you when you're busy, when you're pumping. When you're not waiting for you. Wow, no, bro.
La nyoba umuntu mfondini full chicken akafuna utshintsha position akafuna TV
no check firstly
ngathi lwa naye
it's giving Zimbabwe you can't be pouring alcohol on someone's grave
but to me it makes sense because
especially
it's a party.
It was not a party.
It's not a party, but especially
it was not a party.
In a cruise, I mean, they are pouring. You know, Kulendo Kakeli, yeah, doing this, man. I think what's happening at Pachens, there's a higher power, there's no money. You can't don't know about Kelly or Bani, but you can't loan protector.
You see.
Welcome back to yet another episode of the Utopia podcast with your host with the most, Ulaza Chakala. I said behind the camera, we have Umlibo today, and then next to me we have, in fact, let him introduce himself.
Hey, what's up? This is Mino here.
No, thank you for that. X, before we get into more serious topics, man, there's something that I want us to talk about. Yeah, but where's I was speaking with Umlibo about this thing when we're making way up bypass, and that is the video that is currently going on your voice note. Yeah, it's about Nwabisa.
Oh, that's one. I've seen that. Oh, that's one. I've seen my guy.
Like trend on Facebook.
Yeah.
So apparently, for those who don't know, there's a video of a guy who was recording a voice note. Yeah, so long as went to voice note, we are kind. Ukalela Ndomazana is going around.
Yes.
But you said and that got me thinking about the whole topic of but actually you don't because of the understand you have more knowledge I buy you have more understanding
but I think every guy care once.
That's why I didn't understand.
On a public platform.
Firstly, Ifonyoza, you don't need
that's the question.
Is it a term that is going around agenda push that someone Ifonyoza, which is Jan?
Because check, as much as we can laugh at love video, love voice note, that does say something valid, but Nwabisa. Nwabisa
why like what the fuck,
so exactly it brings me to this thing your phone news,
sure
for sure singamajita and kwalixesha siphila kulo abantu bayalala bahamba belala and you're bound to ulala nabantu aba different so different people ulala nabo ngendlela ezahlukeneyo okanye bathanda ulalwa ngendlela ethile
just like kisses.
Exactly, just like kisses. You meet omnye who does tongue kisses, you meet omnye who does like your regular kiss. That doesn't necessarily mean but I was. So I think the whole thing for news is sugar up.
And the other thing is about the flexibility during the intercourse. Because if you don't go through his styles, you don't maximize his sexy, then it's where everything in color. Because there's no girl if you just to lay down, be cheeky in the bed.
The whole time.
You feel me? So, and for the second time, there's no girl who only wants to do it dog style only. You see, Amatomazan, they explore, they want to be taken to like to the table and then
To the extreme.
sure, strong.
50 Shades.
Exactly.
That's why.
Yes, that's the problem. That's the problem.
That's why I wanna, like as movies, zinamanyala kakhulu, amantombazane ezithanda. Your 50 Shades of Grey.
There is Addicted, bro.
Addicted, 365.
Yes.
The series called the series sent on Netflix. What is it? Fatal Seduction.
I just saw it.
That one is from South Africa.
Ex-
Shout out to the quality is top notch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I saw something, yeah, but it's a topic for another day. Yoba, la Fatal Seduction, ukotshwe kwenye into which was not from South Africa, but apparently it's the same thing. Script, yonke lo, yabo. But it's a topic for another day.
It is nje kwayona nje u-fatal attraction abantu bayamakhona.
No, yeah.
Kakhulu.
Again, I'm nami yabo.
I haven't, but I just quick comments. Okay, no, but I don't have time for bantu because mna yeah.
You're not a person of
Yeah.
series.
No, let's get out there now.
By the way, you spoke about styles. So simple style.
Hey. This is not about me, my guy. Yo, this is not about me.
But check, ne? That's a conversation that we don't use.
No, I just want to know now.
Yeah.
I just want to know. But love voice note that was made, a clip from good TikTok. How did it come about? Ipumenjani, who did yonke lando? Okay. For me, I would say it's a girl because there's no way the guy in a sending is not Asia. Then he pinned the footy. If you just to buy info through social media.
No, it's the girl, yeah, because like I saw John like clip, ne? Kuthatwe a screenshot from e-voice note. It's not even forwarded. Yeah, but I forward one. Kuthatwe a screenshot. I mean, screen recording from e-voice note. Yeah, but it's actually the best thing in the way, but abantu have become so comfortable. Yeah, but share shipping to social media. Yeah, but for fun and all of that. Because the needs is not only like Nwabisa. I mean,
But it's not only about fun because Umchita at the end of EVN became threatening Nwabisa. So
it might be, ne? But most of them are caught threatening against the guy. Sometimes sibona much the color, papa. Into lengawenze liyona.
Okay.
But you must be emotionally available.
Okay, I think now that the reason whoever decided to put it out there, the voice note.
it's not in
It's because there is that last part. It radnishayo ba apho ndibona khona vele ubaleke da. I think that was the main problem yoba. That was the main cause in fact yoba. The video is surface through social media.
No,
Yes.
it goes like it's very easy. Ati Umchita zoenza sure ba
My guy, this is 2024. You don't say those things. This is 2020. You go behind the bars, my guy. You go behind the bars.
Most of the time, so they're serious.
Yes, and especially we can't run away from the fact that there is a EGBV, which is high rate enzyme. Mostly it's guys as the abuser, the ladies.
Of course.
So the girl was like, let's say like that's why he could pay a video.
But that's not that we don't usually talk about. Yeah, but Glenn for news. Yeah, but let's pretend at the topic, but Glenn for news, ne? When I ex as umchita, yeah, but ungayixelela na intombazana yakho like for news. Yeah, but because namantombazana for news, this thing for news is not only how much endlela endibona ngayo. La nyoba umuntu mfondini full chicken akafuna utshintsha position akafuna TV.
No, check. Firstly, you can't be having intombazana on your bed. Intombazana that you ingamove yo linda wena that you gonna change your style. Linda it's stiff intombazana. There's no flexibility for you. She's just waiting for you when you're busy, when you're pumping. When she's waiting for you. No, bro. That's not good. That's not giving. Check my guy.
No, even after intercourse, yabo, xa senigqibile ke ngoku, mhlawumbi, yabo, laa nto kuthiwa communication is the key. Uyiqala njani into njani?
Honestly, I wouldn't even say a thing. Just keep quiet and then libal and move on. And
I think I get to why ubuza lo mbuzo because lamjina nayo wamention about kutheni wenxileli mna. Ngizume njani?
Ndandisho yabo communication.
You know what? Sometimes it's selfishness. Ikhona emantombazaneni.
Too much.
Ikhona emantombazaneni because Nwabisa was dating lo guy. But it wasn't about the situation to tell the other people outside of the relationship. You see, I think that's the selfishness.
True.
Of course.
That's the selfishness. And I don't care Nwabisa nobody selfish.
No, selfish.
Selfish.
Yeah, more than to do head, yeah, but we don't condone them, but I'm threatening. Yeah, if you be paying and also, man, I feel like if Nwabisa is essential a threat, we feel okay, this is a real threat, then Zikon avenues, not social media. Yeah,
yes.
She could have went to the police,
yes,
for example. Yeah, but we've seen that by the social media is not enough. Yeah, but we don't know about some might do something worse. This is South Africa. Yeah, but and we've seen that Abandaba names, they are very pro-violence.
Honestly, just raise something about the we don't know the guy, but he planned Antoni after he put the video out there, which is Lendo incident Nwabisa is to fire up his Ndokla out. Because the guy is gonna get that's okay, yeah,
Exactly.
So it's where everything goes on again. We call brutality through Kabeshanga and West Space. The guy is gonna try to buy him hand and why?
They don't think because about that thing. Of course, nobody think but of course, abandon women the husband business, no be spy husband him. How much husband him for you apparently.
You see, as Nizindo, Zoshula, abantu boshula kuzithetha obayi-2 by the time besendlini because Nwabisa before aphume aye to kwi-friends zakhe uphuma ashiya the guy abe ehleli nayo endlini instead of babona fix the situation, the problem, whatever so that umjita akwazi basele impeso or athi bang bang whatever. AK-47. So at this matter or there is men's clinic lately. Men's clinic according to NCO for sure.
I think I'm part of us a stereotype. And it's born to say men's clinic.
But men's clinic will give you something that in Azubane after effect.
Nah.
Then you're gonna take. I'm just doing an example about impairs. You do something impairs. You take impairs. Then
that's the best.
I don't know.
So I've
never used any of these things.
No, I'm not.
Can you check for us? But the corona is that the case of
But allegedly, yes, they do recommend about buy.
But why they go mainstream? Yes, I mean, you don't find it most to chemists. You always find it. Go Twitter.
You can't go discams, can't
you? Can't discam. You can't. No, I'm Buzelin, man.
Why disclaimer? Why disclaimer? We have a situation. We have a situation like in Khumalo. Hey. Rumors head Ziziacho that Ukeli Khumalo, she's the headmaster of Senzomi was made. She's the one who bought Inkabi and all the hitmen, everything. What Kanjanja. But she's the one who bought those people and so that they can kill Usenzo. But my question is, why would she want to once again on Usenzo?
Because kula evidence there's something to Ukeli Khumalo apparently was saying, but not once, but twice, allegedly, but I have to get rid of it. Yeah, and you know this there's a lot of ways to get rid of someone. Yeah, that can be interpreted as an yeah, it might mean yeah, I don't see the motive because it's not like a big will or then or anything. Yeah, but so I don't see any financial gain but
and at that time she was besakamungu
but I'm done.
Oh, that's the motive.
I don't even know about
no besakamungu kakhulu
But angaba will still.
okay.
No, umntwana.
No, okay. Because okay, she was not struggling at the time, but not
no.
Because ufuna uphuma imali umntana yabo. She was not struggling, yabo. I don't think
and okay, she didn't even make it difficult for inathi assets kaSenzo to aziphindise to the family yakhe aziphindisa even though there were iskoblinyana through inathi X6 BMW kaSenzo that Kelly was driving around while kwenzeke lento.
You know, kulento kaKelly ne. Iyangcingisa man. I think what's happening apha James. There's a higher power bezingayiboni. Yabo. Ukhona lo muntu I don't know uba nguKelly or ngubani but ukhona lo muntu protector apha kuyo yonke le.
You see my guy, what he's saying now is that it's the same thing that Sfiso, which is Upelda kaSenzo, said that these people will be saying things about the wrong people while they are busy protecting the main person who killed Senzo, which is why ekhona ngaphakathi land.
Utini I didn't see comments does he have any comments about this recent developments? Kelly was the mastermind.
No, the brother what do you say? Iti brother kaSenzo name. There's no way it can be Kelly Khumalo who plotted everything and hired hitmen to kill Senzo. Firstly, I think it's about into zomthando ne. Secondly, brother kaSenzo. When his statements he's talking about knowing the brigadier, the men who petted the case, Ukininda, from Debongani Kininda. Yes. So he said he's the dirty cop. You see, he's trying to protect whoever or ends up to Buleke Senzo that night.
But Khumalo is protected they are going through such lengths.
But why?
But why? It goes back to the first statement in recent years about Ulonge Twala. Remember Ulonge Twala, the guy is he had to be protected because his father is a big mogul. Chico Twala.
Ulongwe was he a suspect? Was he ever a suspect?
Yes.
Okay.
He was the one who had a gun in the house. So Longwe Twala I think he's the one who's being protected through all this mess. No. And secondly, if it was not for Longwe Twala, because the problem now is that they are busy protecting the person that they are protecting, which is Longwe Twala. And the father of Longwe Twala they know him very well. He's a powerful man.
What does it do?
No, he was.
Check for us, Longwe Twala.
Nah, I think he's been in drugs and what long. You can check my guy.
Sure.
He's been into drugs or what. You know
the suspected.
I is pulling there Longwe Twala. I is pulling there too. Yeah. So Longwe Twala is more like Mama Gajuju.
Oh yeah.
He's powerful. He's powerful.
How much is that background?
Yes. He's powerful. So you can't just say into Longwe Twala the notatake azovumela lento yenzeke. Because he's the father who's trying by all means but yes. They are trying to settle Ulongwe and other expense and other lives. Because check, these guys were it's been 9 years now, the trialish. But Ulongwe Twala, I'm talking to you. une case ependayo as I'm talking to you now.
Of a similar offense like ubulala.
I'm not sure, but then there is a case of ependayo as I'm talking to you now.
These guys, since they are attending trial, are they already behind bars or they were out
Or
of bail?
behind bars.
Through your uncle and 9 years?
Behind bars.
No man, I feel like the case is dragging.
It's dragging. It's dragging. Yes.
Yeah, but I don't
From
know.
2014 to 2024.
That's almost it's a
10
decade.
years, yes.
I don't know if Noma Mhlamba need to lose relevance so that Baza was to cover up his window, but I don't think Ababe Paris will intend and those who may you.
My God.
So
Kaboom.
it can never happen.
Kaboom. Kaboom.
Yeah, but
It's more like AKA, they keep on saying, we're gonna come with a big statement to reveal the person who killed AKA.
What?
Then in 2 days' time, it's quiet.
once again, because I remember, man, I read an article about the police were now saying, but Lom Dubulalo AKA is apparently
The guy Begitele said himself on TV. He said, we found the person who killed AKA. We're gonna reveal him. We're gonna tell you the name.
And when was that?
It's probably been 2 weeks now.
any clown.
Never heard anything about that.
We can never take people that were a clown serious. I mean, he's a clown.
That's why that's why I don't even listen that guy when he even says anything. I just
No man, but yeah, I remember
he
even
was a star.
even when we were going.
he was with a star, AKA was a super mega. How can you say he was a star?
I remember.
Come on, bro.
Even now, we say first. This is nezinye chomza. But yabona uba weke was too here. Yabo for sure you would have hit us with Isama Pen. So this again with Isama.
Yeah.
Obvious, that's an
He
obvious
was
thing.
always
That's an
blocking
obvious
his
thing.
bankers.
But my guys, something strange happened on his birthday. I think it was 28 years. Something happened.
Yeah.
So all his friends were celebrating usuku lakhe, ne?
Yeah.
So they went to his grave. You see, they went to his grave and then they poured vodka on his grave. But at the same time, they were shouting, rest in peace, King.
Yeah.
I mean, like, what do you think about that, bro? Because according to my knowledge, a grave, it's a place where you go.
Place of respect.
In a grave, there are things that we do. Like, for example, we go to the grave to talk to the dead, and then
the ancestors.
we seek, and then we talk to him as if he's alive. But when you go there and you pour the alcohol, what's happening? What's your take on that?
With me, I feel like it's uchinja kwexesha. As much as anything, it's uchinja kwexesha. Yeah, but because ukubona man kwezi graves as chap, yeah, but let's say as chap that were busy zingotsotsi.
Yes.
Yeah, ufika khona imoto ezipinayo funerals afike kujula bullets and all of that.
No, this is different, my guy.
Yeah, but I think it's about land yoba celebrate the way that he lived. But let's say AKA Betandi vodka and all of that. So they are celebrating him, get vodka. Yeah, but at the same time, yeah, but I feel as if they must take into consideration if family ka AKA but eating you alone.
And
yeah,
the culture.
We culture AKA. Yeah, but because if let's say if family there's no problem alone, AKA. Yeah, but then they must celebrate AKA how we lived. If a Betandi vodka or Betandi alone, then they must go pour there. I mean, he's dead. So, yeah, well, they're just celebrating.
And they were pouring La Cruz, vodka Cruz, aka vodka Cruz.
Yeah, but also,
and I want to believe that family was there also because I saw the picture going around. Family sitting on his grave. Sitting, they took a photo, and then at the same day, the video surfaced the internet that the guys were. I think the family were there. I'm just thinking. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not saying.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
I think if na singabantu abamnyama, ne? Okay, historically singasho AKA is categorized as black, since the colored, yonke lonto, but Singabantu abamnyama. Cultural.
Yes.
Yabo. Singabantu abamnyama, we must not impose into zethu. Yabo. Colored community, for example. Yabo. We don't know Baba range.
You see, I think that's where you're right, because the most people who are making noise, it's the black people.
Exactly.
Because we're complaining that why would El Tido go and pour alcohol on someone who's dead?
I want alone. Yeah, but also impose the culture.
Which is, yes, they have their own culture, Bona.
Exactly.
You see, they have their own culture, which is, we should have like stayed on our lane and then
Exactly. No, you're not sure. Yeah, Boba, we must not try and impose our own culture.
But for me, I'm a guy. It's giving Zimbabwe. You can't be pouring alcohol on someone's grave. Nah.
But to me, it makes sense because
especially
it's a party. It's a party.
It was not a party.
It's not a party, but especially
it was not a party.
In La Cruz. I mean, they are pouring even the cruise.
Yes.
They bought La Cruz, royalty.
And that's how AKA lives life.
Yeah, but celebrate the person how they live. Yeah, but
like there's another joke, man. Yes, cause but umakhulu like ucela
so
or something or inyama or irasta.
Here we go again with this story.
Yeah, this is a story then.
Yeah.
Umakhulu or utamkhulu bekele rasta. Then afike emathongweni noba ephupheni athi ucela inyama. Then you will ask yourself, ba umakhulu wami mara beke ngayithi inyama uyicela kanjani ngoyinyama? Yeah, because bekele rasta. So that's AKA, bra.
Yeah.
AKA the central.
I like this.
So
that's how we celebrate him.
Yeah, well, imagine xa befika phaa beyothandaza yonke loo nto kubizwe icawe yabo and AKA that way yabo. So I feel like we must let people be celebrated how they live. Yabo. Think about celebrating people.
What's that?
Let's get on, my guy. What's it?
This thing Umkhonto says.
Come on now.
No, check, bro.
No, wait, my guy. No.
No, Joe. Answer you, please.
Umkhonto is a scam from the get-go.
Exactly.
It's a scam from the get-go. That's why I don't like to talk about them. Umkhonto is a scam from the get-go.
Yeah, but that's a
How is
company.
it a scam?
Have you ever saw a party an interim president?
Who is the leader? Umkhonto says.
There's no one who wants to be known as a leader. They have interim president. What's that?
Who's the presidential candidate? I mean, we cannot be going.
Abana president. Instead, interim president.
Free country.
No.
Yeah, we know that it's a free country.
You know what I think in Nebraska? It's a conspiracy, no? It's a conspiracy. But there was a time when Julius went to see Uzu. Yabo? I think in Nane, that's when the whole idea started. Yabo? I don't think the function of Umkhonto is to actually win the elections because there's no way. But to stabilize the ANC.
Let me give you one thing, my guy. If
but not benefit when the ANC is destabilized because ETA is very unlikely, but ingaphat. Yabo. Sayazi though, majority is black people and black people into sayaziyo they'll go with parties. Yabo. But the main party, the main party that speaks the language of the black people that people want to understand. Yabo. It's EFF. So you can see most of the numbers as the ANC. They are not going with political parties.
No, check. Lwazi, something I understand, Lwazi.
Sure.
My guy, Umkhonto Wesizwe didn't arrive and then what is meant ANC only. Even from EFF, white expenditure everywhere.
EFF,
I'm telling you.
I haven't seen it.
You haven't seen?
The core members of EFF. high-profile members of EFF who resigned to join.
What's the space go? Even I'm talking about them. Even from it all starts from members ages paya. The members, yes, ground forces they are moving.
As the KZN.
Not from KZN, and even Mpumalanga, they are moving. I'm telling you.
I feel like Umkondo was a man. Referencing from the words of the president of the ANC Youth League that it's just a cult, tribalistic movement. Because most is Zulu people. We don't see Umkondo again. I mean, how do you take no political party serious? The party, I know farming principles.
But we're not here to criticize the party.
No, as we criticize, but I'm just saying, but it's a cult movement. But I know farming principles. About say we are going to vote for it. About the manifesto, meeting. How do you vote?
Because they believe.
Check my guy.
They believe in a man.
Exactly, but they are using.
But the same man.
It's a cult movement.
The same man who's not going to be the president of the country, because even if the party are win, I guess by president, so to be president of South Africa. And I don't understand why a bank betting like my guy Zuma was the president of South Africa for how many years? Probably 10 years.
2 decades.
Yes.
Almost two decades.
Yeah,
Almost.
he took over school and was
From
Umbek when they removed Umbek.
Yes.
So he served 4 years, and then he didn't finish his 4 years. So it's about 9 guys.
Yes.
9, 8.
It's almost a decade. But the same person owangena presidency who misuse funds the country, the same person who never did anything for a country. How come you're gonna vote for him again to be the president? The same person who only cares about his pockets and his family.
But isn't that what every president does?
No, Chief.
Yeah, we know, but we select the president without knowing that. But now that we know about Jacob Zuma was the president, he never brought anything.
It's like the show,
Where the devil you know then?
There's no way. There's no way.
Load shedding has multiplied and
You
know me, I'm not an ANC supporter, but what I see here is that the problem in what is happening now currently, the economic state, the home kingdom, Lando Itale Galatem, and it's only getting worse go because the problem in Talaganja, the problem. Easy.
And my guy, serially bengazofika kukhona i-problems as already zikhona afike asolve zona because ufikela kwezinye i-problems naye.
Of course. Of course.
That's why again Jacob Zuma. I'm saying that I'm not like I'm the ANC member or what you call it this EFF or TA or what. No, I'm just yes.
No man, I feel like
I'm not like Jen, my guy. I'm not against any party, but sometimes you need to face the facts.
Exactly.
You need to face the facts one way.
No, I agree with you, Klanuti, but it's like a cult movement, sort of. But it's like a family business. Energy drink.
What is that? They are pushing whatever that they are pushing in the name of the party. Push whatever by push in the name of the party. Come on now.
No, it's like a seaboard, but. How do you feel the suspension here?
For me, it was long overdue, my guy.
Nah?
It was long overdue. They should have suspended him immediately. Emma on a podium, Petty Mike, I'm not going to support the ANC on 2024 elections. I'll be supporting Mkhonto. Immediately after he said that, they should have sent him an email.
I don't understand you, but. It was
long overdue. They waited for a long time, my guy.
Do you remember?
For a long time.
You remember the former president Jacob Zuma, protected by ANC during his times corruption.
I've gone through as and according to who's those why. Because I've seen who's this Mr. Mbalula, and I've seen Ubeki saying the same things now, and also who's the third one? They're saying the same thing that they protected Jacob Zuma, which is they kept that for a long time without saying a thing. About it. But now that things are going upside down, there's a why.
Yeah, but no, it's what I'm saying.
It's because they want people to move away from Muslim.
And that will never happen.
They think they're exposing Zuma by saying those things.
And that will never happen because our bands that are close to him, they already know. They are close affiliates. They won't move.
And the people who are close to Uzuma, they know very well that if we push Uzuma, we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat, yes.
No,
it's like them, my guy. If we push Uzuma, we're gonna eat. Yes.
But if imagine, when you don't care, when you could be in the back seat, but if imagine because they ask once a baby, then now we are going to benefit.
Then I've heard this clown. Who's this guy from Bloemfontein? Who's this guy?
Lebu?
The guy with glasses.
The old man.
Oh,
yeah,
that clown, my guy. Come on. Now that he's an SEO.
Yes.
No, we charge iPhone. I'm not charging iPhone.
Nah, it's a motor.
Yeah, I charge iPhone.
It's a motor. Now that there won't be any fixated voting, what polls. Actually, there was something crucial about what they were doing when they were in it's Mahoshule.
Oh,
there were things that were crucial in the residents and the scat. But now,
now that is the opposition. There won't be anything. Suspicious when it comes to voting or the
but now we're and at the same time the clown is versing into it. We'll be working with Zuma closely, we'll be working with Umkhonto weSizwe that we're willing to what is it called? Join parties or to merge party. By merge is to do each join party. Yes, they are willing to work with Zuma.
But what is the purpose? I mean, what is the purpose? We're going to elections.
I think the other thing is that I understand what Ismakhashule. Ismakhashule uvule iparty yakhe before Umkhonto weSizwe was even formed. Because if Umkhonto weSizwe was formed before the party, before Ismakhashule even think about opening the party, Makhashule was not even going to open
he was going to go to
political party. Yes, he
was going to go to Umkhonto. Even now, I wouldn't be shocked because there's who's this white guy, man?
The one who EFF.
Yeah,
yes, he just come in house. Yes.
Now he opened the party, goes to EFF.
Nah, he went to EFF just before Umkhonto weSizwe was even formed. So if Umkhonto weSizwe was formed before he even crossed to EFF, he was going to join Umkhonto weSizwe. Same applies with Ubusisiwe Mkhwebane. He was going to do the same thing. Yes.
No, but since I want to Umkhonto weSizwe, but quite frankly, now. When the one I'm conversation is giving what you call it's giving opportunities to
what opportunities where?
Catering
you know my guy when you do catering, when you supply catering to your bandwin, that's the way to ask abantu because you wanna keep giving them whatever that you are giving them. And abantu they're gonna fall for a crap. To go after that, you 2024 elections, the right. You are being voted now.
No, in general, government. I'm not speaking from experience just because I was in government or governance. But I'm just saying, you don't so you don't
now you've been part of what?
No, I was in student politics.
Oh, Sasko, what?
Yeah.
I know about women,
Imagine.
Of course, bruh, like every politician is corrupt.
I was not a politician. I was a person that was assisting students. So I was not chowing any man. I can go through audit and then everyone will say, "But I didn't chow any man." I mean, Joango, there's nothing. I chowed man. Yeah.
You have an iPhone 15, man.
I know.
Latest.
Then they all hope before SNC.
So my guy, the suspension was long overdue for me because I feel like the authorities, the ANC, bafana immediately enze lando. Azanga lale umsuko bobini, then they should have like sent him suspension letter.
Suspension. No, I don't know why they waited so long, but I think it's just a process of following protocol. Yeah, Boba, such a decision must be taken by the NEC.
And at the same time, whoever that is advising Zuma, because Zuma only advisor, whoever that is advising Zuma is smart, my guy. Very smart,
Very
intelligent, because the reason Zuma ending there in note from Kubo that they must suspend him, okay, they must fire him because of the person or advisor also. The person or advisor Zuma for sure will tell, hey yo, former president, wait for them to come to you, don't go to them. Because if you go to them and say, hey, I'm resigning from ANC, then it's gonna be more like uzikhuphile kwe-ANC wena but uba uzivulele umkhonto wesizwe. But the guy who's advising Zuma, he's the one who said, wait for them to come to you.
But what?
Don't go to them, because immediately you go to them, everything is gonna be on open. Now that they come to you and they said, Chief, we are releasing you or we are suspending you, then you have something to say. You're holding something against them.
So I'm
Yes, they are the ones they suspend.
Because I was speaking the truth about Syria. No, but I also saw something about ANC.
But this is ridiculous, my guy.
It's ridiculous.
Jacob Zuma, he went on saying things against Cyril Ramaphosa, but he still says he's part of ANC.
How are you part of it?
How? But you're saying things about the current president. You're saying things that he's the worst president ever.
If there's one thing that I learned from politics.
But that's facts.
But Joe, if there's one thing that I learned from
This is
politics.
not about facts, my guy. This is about politics.
If there's one thing that I learned
This
from
is about politics.
What is important, bruh? Ozuma, when they went to that conference, now in politics, when it happens that if action yako is child, what you are supposed to do is that you are supposed to then fall back, join the faction because this thing is not about faction. You don't have
to go deeper.
No, but it's something about like that's why you president. EFF student command. What
I think I once saw an interview.
He said something very important. He said, "In conference, we must not treat it as voting for we must treat it as voting for ideas. But okay, we are voting for the most progressive ideas. Which ideas are going to take South Africa forward?
Yes.
So, how lose a conference? You're not supposed to be because this thing is just being beat. But we know we conference ANC last year. Yonke lento yomkhondo wesizwe nayo yonke lento ngengenzeka because lo muntu bafuna ubenefita ngaye ngeyipha
Yes.
So, you're not really sure. But no, speaking about opportunities, man. I remember on the last episode, we did speak about the opportunities, the youth unemployed, right? That they can use certain things to sort of make themselves employable.
Sure.
There's what we call, guys, the careers of the future. The careers of the future, it's basically the careers that revolve around IT. Because most of them, they revolve around IT.
Yes.
Technology.
Yes, technology.
Yeah.
Yes.
So-
Yes, developed a lot of technology.
We spoke about courses that you can take, yeah, and now people were DMing me, Ben Bozuba, start up as courses, yeah, so we're just going to mention a few sites that you can go to, yeah, to just learn basic computers. But everything, guys, you must understand that everything needs an investment, yeah, so I'm just going to give you two of the ones that I actually know, or it's actually three, né? We have Zayo coding, so that's where you can learn how to code. Yeah, but you can learn how to code and you can become a professional app creator. You can become a professional web developer. We also have Coursera. Now, Coursera does have a range of free codes. So if ungumdu ofuni coding, because you're born by most opportunities around coding, so you must go through ESO sites. Yeah, but there's also skills for you. You can also check out the schools for you. There's free IT courses there, and then there's also what's the other one? But this one is for females, man. And it had that only focuses on one gender. We do empowerment. It's actually called She Codes, né? So She Codes. But we're also going to share links to this website.
Yeah, we can put the links just
we'll
at
put
the end
a
of the video.
disclaimer, né? This is not an advertisement, but we just want to make sure that young people, they get into opportunities that are demanded by the labor sector at this current moment.
Yeah, sure.
That was very long, my guy.
It was very long.
That was very long.
And he didn't even
That was very
mention.
long.
He didn't even need to mention.
Now that I'm lost in some sitting here lost like crazy. Oh, that was very long, my guy. That was very, very long. Otherwise, gents,
Before we close, you did mention that you have a game for us. Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah, again.
were you sure about your game, my guy?
You tell that I was over.
Huh?
Must not be something that's compromising.
Yes.
You don't
No.
want to be compromised.
No, it's not. But it's gonna be. Who would you smash, kill, or fuck? No, smash,
Hypothetically,
kill.
hypothetically. For sure.
Yeah, smash, kill, and what?
Smash, kill, or pass.
And marry. Yeah.
Oh, smash, kill, and marry.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Hey, these games, my guy, these games.
These
games,
games.
They are compromised exactly like the point of view. They are compromised already. Come on now.
That's why they emphasize, but it's just like it's just a game.
Yeah, it's just a game.
It's just a game. Doesn't
Yeah.
mean anything, will happen. Sure.
Let's go.
All right.
Before we
let's
start-
start with you, X.
Sure. I just want to fill up my cup. Sure.
Boititulo, Mini Dlamini, and Sian Buji.
Well, for me,
Yeah, it goes to both of you, man.
I think I'll answer first. For me, those are the baddies, my guy.
All of them.
3 of them are the baddies. So
Okay.
even Minila, man. I'll go for who's this one? Boititulo.
For
Smash.
Smash.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll smash everything. Twice on Sunday.
Now I'll go for Boititulo than the other two.
And who would you marry?
Who would I marry? Where?
Yeah, it's who would you smash?
From the 3 of them.
Kill or yeah.
It's
Smash, kill, or
Oh,
marry? Yeah.
Yeah, I would marry, who's this one?
Sian.
Nah, come on now. You know the type, come on now.
Come on.
Come on now.
Doesn't come on.
I'll go for Minute Amin.
Marry
Marry.
Dlamini.
Yes.
So basically, you would kill Lucy and Bush.
Yes, Sian must
Definitely.
die.
Definitely.
It's in
Yeah, same.
Same question.
Same question. Hey, namfana ngithandele iland. Awunayo question onayiland.
I know.
So not that you're running away from the question, my guy. We're not like
I'm not running away. Yeah.
duck and diving here.
Okay, uthe uPoint nobani?
You don't have a choice. It's like you have a
Boitimini
choice.
and Sian.
Okay. I don't like people that are out there, man. All of these people are out there. Yo.
That's why I was saying that.
Yeah, but so I think I'd take. I'd marry Ulenos
Simple.
Upoitina. And then fuck Mini.
And kill CN.
And then obviously kill CN.
Why no get from Bulare?
Nah, she doesn't. Nah, come on now, come on.
Okay.
CN Bougie, come on.
We love Mtulo wake. What's Mtulo Mosel Bush?
She's
What?
a DJ.
She's still new with DJ. What?
Boyti is
She's a hostess who CN Bougie.
CN Bush. Yazoleka CN Bush in things that is currently going around the industry. Yabo. Yamazi mosu Polisa Kalov.
Yes, I
Yeah,
know.
he was actually saying something very important yabo, about influencers.
You mean Uzolisa?
Yeah, so listen about the influencers getting gigs just because they're influencers. And I think that's how even Abomini they got into, I mean all and those CN Bush they got into.
So
DJ,
you think
know.
CN is a bad DJ?
No, I don't think she's a bad DJ.
No,
she is a bad DJ. I mean, there's a lot of clips that
she's still new, my guy. She's still very new.
But she's taking classes.
She's taking classes, but
Yeah,
she's
she's
still
a-
very new. She
Right.
can't be. You just said yourself that she's taking classes. That means she's not good.
Bryce, there's
People
nothing.
take classes to improve.
Chief, there's nothing difficult about being a DJ. Yeah, but I've been a DJ before. Yeah, but not a professional one. But
Yeah, last week you were a boxer, today you are a DJ.
I'm a DJ of all trades.
Come on now, what are you saying, my guy?
It was a muisho never unini lo DJ. Then was at the classes nango.
Yes.
Yeah, but it does not make sense. It cannot take you a year to learn how to DJ gendele right. I mean, lambu local samahash. Benza go she's learning how to put effects and all of that.
Have you attended the function yake? Or
I've attended the function ka CN Bush. She was
rate her out of 10.
6. I not 6.
6 is good.
No,
yeah.
no, did not 6. The vendor attached 3.
You're a hater.
And you hate, but 3.
The question, my guy.
We have these students pa university about DJ no CN Bush, about DJ visual teaching.
All right. Next one is Mihlali Ndamase, Cindy Makatini, and you're not ready for this one.
Nandingo.
Huh?
Nandingo.
Guess the next one.
Nandingo.
Yeah, Nandi.
Okay.
The wife of.
Zexman.
Yes.
Okay. I'll marry Nandingo because he learned Apana type yeah.
And she's a wife material, né?
She's a wife material crush. She does a lot of things. Yeah, she's managed, she does a lot of things. Yeah, but you'll never see Unandi trending for his investment. Yeah, so
Because they are almost married, né? No, not this.
no, but about the back.
Almost, yeah. They are-
Almost.
Okay, not
Almost.
almost. I'm not sure if almost is the word to use, but they
But
are
chatting.
almost like married.
But chatting.
Is it?
I bo brother,
It's
been
been
married
years.
for a number of
My
years.
bad.
Yes.
The fact checker here, right now, my friends. Then I was the fact checking.
All right.
So yeah, I would marry Nandi Ngoma. Take Banom, Cindy Noban.
Mihlali Ndamase.
I would marry Nandi Ngoma, fuck Ndamase, and then kill Cindy.
Cindy Makatini.
Cindy Chow Muti.
Huh?
No, for me, firstly, I'm gonna respect who's the OG, Zexman twin. Yeah, I'm just gonna take one first work out of the topic.
I will.
I will.
I will.
No,
No,
it's,
for
like,
me.
it's
I
just
will.
a game.
It's just a game.
Yeah, it's just a game.
I need to respect the guy.
Nah, it's just a
Yeah,
game. A
we
game is a
respect
game.
her. We respect him. He's a good person.
Now, I can wife Nandi. Yeah, Nandi Ngoma, I can wife her. And then CN Makati, CN Makati man.
Cindy
Mihlali Ndamase.
Mihlali Ndamase. Smash maybe. Then the last one.
Why is saying like this? Smash maybe?
Who's the last one?
Cindy
CN
Makatini.
Bush. Oh,
Makatin.
Cindy Makati.
Yeah. Go to me as a
Kill.
guy.
You'll kill Cindy Makati.
Yes.
Then let's go to actors. Let's see if you guys know your.
This is the last round, eh?
Yeah, the South African actors. But I'm not going to mention their real names, ne?
Sure.
Yeah, because Anbaz, there's this lady from the Queen, and she's also playing a character who Kings of Joburg. Cindy, her name is Cindy.
Where's shows? Her name is Sid.
No, we show yaki. With the Queen go Sianda. Ne?
Okay, bro. Ne? Disclaimer. I'm not Umchita Sobi.
I was gonna say that.
All right.
I was gonna say that.
Let's stick to music. Music or modeling. Zizi Tuzi.
Huh?
Zozi
Miss
Universe, yeah.
Former Miss.
Umlibala njani uzozibini tunes. That is our queen. They're forever Miss South Africa. I get Miss South Africa now. I get Miss Universe now.
I don't understand why
People can come and go.
people they still say she's Miss Universe.
She is Miss Universe.
It's been how many years?
Bra,
It's 5 years
years
now.
bra,
Close to 5.
as in Miss Universe, ne? They win the crown. But Uzozibini, she won our hearts.
Yeah, she won our.
She won our
You
hearts.
see the people about Eastern Cape.
Yeah. So Zibini to Tunzi, and Zizo better in her prime. I'm not saying she's not in her prime.
That's not even a that's
A
not
question,
even a
that's not even a question, yes. That's not even a question, my guy.
It's actually definitely.
Zizo will always.
Yeah, but, yeah.
Zizo will always.
You see?
Always
You
won.
see what I'm talking about?
On those Bini tunes.
Jani.
Now, my guy, Zizo better.
Uzozibini.
Come on now.
Zizo in her prime.
And
Zizo
now,
better. Yo, my guy.
Uzozibini
come on.
tunes.
Don't tell me about those Bini. Zizo better.
What's wrong with Zozi? Yes.
Ayibopra. Uzozibini.
Come on, my guy.
No, I think it's a little.
No, I'm thinking about it and I'm in deep thoughts about the honor. Zizo better is still upon.
And that girl, Sbongile from Komora, you must know her.
Sibongile no white sugar no tate. No,
Sister Kate.
Oh, sister Kate.
And the one with Pongo,
What's up? What's keep on? What's going on?
Umnana ka
Don Butilius,
eh
Israel.
Mtaka bongani, mtaka bongani.
Yeah,
No, of course.
So it's Zozi, Zizo, Sbongile from Komora, who just married Kilo.
I'm not just I go for status. Those being number one. Second.
Now it's no longer, slender, she's slender, Zozi.
Okay, secondly, Sbongile.
So you married Zozi?
Sbongile, right?
Who just married Kilo Fuck?
I would marry Uzozbini. Yeah, but intellectually, Uzozbini, she's very clever. Yeah, but from what I've seen on how she moves.
She's very clear from the distance. That's what you mean.
No, I've seen how she moves. Yeah, but and also
How? Because she won a Miss Universe.
No,
What
bro.
else did she do?
no, bruh. Uzozbini, ne? If you follow her, yeah, but I don't know if you did follow her.
I follow her on
She
IG.
was involved in a lot of empowerment. Yeah, but and that's what we always speak about.
But that's the program of Miss
No,
Universe.
even afterwards, she was still busy with the program, yeah, of uplifting the women. Yeah, but even though I don't necessarily agree of uplifting one gender, but she was very busy with that thing. Yeah, but and the fact that Uzozbini, she's still relevant even till today. Yeah, but when there's a pageant, it just says a lot. Yeah, but
Because Sando Puma Ngogo, ne?
yeah, but okay, Joe, being my Miss Universe was last year.
Ndavi.
David Ban.
Miss
That
Universe.
lady from-
She's Miss South Africa, my guy.
Alright.
Yeah, born in today.
Davi is from. She's Miss South Africa then.
But it's only fair we remember Uzos because we're from South Africa. And she's from South Africa.
That's not the only reason. Okay. Or Miss South Africa, ne? Last year, David Ban.
Yes.
Before her,
Last year, we wouldn't have how.
Ucho ye na.
No,
Yeah.
there's no way.
Yeah,
Check
but-
my
yeah,
guy.
yeah,
Check yourself. That was not Miss South Africa last year. Probably it's been
Oh,
2 years.
Yeah,
Yeah,
born
2
in
to 3 years.
Yeah,
Davi is after Zozi.
No. Shorty after this. I'm not a 7.
It's nguye lo sithandwa.
Well, I go bra. I now.
You want to be told to check, my guy. You need a new fact check.
No, but
Yes.
yeah.
I'm still new at this.
There's opportunities available. There's opportunities available. Put my fact checker, your podcast. Make sure that you just drop us a comment. And then,
Yeah, and also we need a co-host, a female co-host, né?
Oh yeah.
Yes, you should have shut up the allergy.
Of course. No, kaloku we're just looking around at our community. Now that we see that.
Let's give everyone an opportunity so that as a Puma from our viewers.
From Tata, né?
Yeah. If you're around in Tata and you want to be a female co-host in podcast, then please just send us a shout out. Quick description in your video. You are going to see our personal accounts, so you can just hit us up on any of our personal accounts. But yeah, without the critical needs, man, let's finish. Shout out to Bypass again for lending us a venue. So remember,
Wait, X is running away. He did not tell us.
With what, my guy?
Who would you marry kilo fuck?
Between?
Zozi, Zizo and Swungil.
I'll go for.
Marry who?
I'll marry Zizo Ben. She's my clear type of. Secondly, what's the second one? Tunzi.
Yeah.
Tunzi. Okay, sure. She can be.
those been I will type your store or come.
She can be.
That's the thing.
She can be smashed.
That's the thing.
She can be smashed. And then obviously she's dead. The other one.
Huh?
She's dead. The other one.
Yeah, she's
So
killing.
women's
all
she's
right.
dead.
Yeah, that's it. Shout out to Bypass.
Yeah, shout out to Bypass. If you're around Mtata or anywhere near Mtata, man, please make sure that you pay them a visit. If you want to do something, you can pull through higher venue. If you want to come
Business
with the family
meetings.
yako, yabo, just enjoy some meat or just have vibes, man, you can come around. Yabo. You can enter with their own alcohol. So just make sure that you pull through. And actually, they also do have events where they bring national artists. So yeah, make sure that you pull through, man. Bypass Butcher.
One more last thing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Also, you can write down there what you like and what you don't like about us, so that you can improve from whatever that you are doing, whatever that you are saying from here. Thank you.
Exactly. We're people of the people, yabo. So we accept criticism, yabo. Also, what's this thing? We're also going to be dropping as music, we Facebook page and also a YouTube page, yabo. We'll be doing blind dates, right? We'll be doing blind dates around that, right? We are going to be looking for people abasim. Maybe we'll have to join Tinder, and then we put them together, because what we want to make sure is that so even though this
And we're
channel,
approaching you February, né?
exactly, at least by
Month
the
of love.
time,
Yeah.
my card, it dug my card. So what we are going to do is that we are going to put two single people together, it's been a blind date. So if when you're interested in being part of those people, just hit us up. Who's the correct match for you.
Yeah.
Without critical Nancy, please join us again on Thursday, 4 o'clock.
No,
Thank you very much.
just one more thing from the man behind the camera. I want to give thanks, man, to everyone who watched our first episode.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Because the numbers are tracking hard.
Yeah, I saw that. They're talking, my guy.
It's not bad for
From first episode.
on
And
YouTube.
for a new podcasters.
Because
From a new
we're not
podcast.
even that famous.
Speak for yourself. Sure.
Yeah, I'm not famous. Who knows?
Here comes the war.
Sure.
Yeah, who knows me? But no one knows me, bruh. So it's not bad for a new podcast. So shout out to everyone who subscribed, who liked and comment. We episode here together. Yeah, I think that will go on.
Utopia podcast. Shout out.
Signing out.
I'm not sure if you are